To attach a tablet to your car, simply grab it from the top middle, place it slightly above the board, and push it down. To release it, grab it again from the top middle and pull it quickly. Again, grab it from the top middle and pull it quickly. You may be tempted to pull the tablet off the board slowly, but that's not the right way to do it. The right way to do it is to grab it from the top middle and pull it quickly. Okay? Again, to attach it, place it slightly above the board like this, and when you place it, it does not need to be perfectly aligned with the pocket or the dashboard or the board. Even if it's crooked, all you need to do is just push it down slowly, and it's always going to find its way to the pocket. With smaller tablets, you can do this in one motion like I just did. So I first place the tablet like this, and then I push it down. That's two motions actually, and you can do it in one motion or two motion. This is in one motion, so place it slightly above the bar and push it down. Two motion, you place on the bar and then you push it down like that. You can do this with smaller tablets, but with bigger tablets like the 14.5 inch Galaxy Tab Ultra, I recommend you not do that. Even though it works, I have the tendency to do this, but I recommend you not do that because the tablet is so heavy that it may fall off if you're not careful. But this is two motion and this is one motion. So one motion, essentially grab it from the top middle and place it slightly above the bar and push it down. It's always going to find its way to the pocket, no matter how crooked it looks. All you need to do is just touch it slightly, push it down slightly, and it's always going to find its way to the pocket. That is the reason why the pocket is so useful. And when you drive around, the tablet is not gonna, it's not gonna look crooked. When you hit bumps, potholes, it's not gonna get out of place. And if you have any questions, just make sure you put it in the comment section.